Now we have learned about the precedence. Now what is this next set of rule, that is associativity? Why this associativity exists in the programming? So let me just go back to the whiteboard to give you one example, and by that example we'll understand what is this thing associativity is. Okay, so let's get back to the whiteboard. Okay, so now we are on the whiteboard. Now I have another set of questions for you. Okay, so just try to answer these questions. I want answer of these questions from you. Okay, so just try to answer these questions, three questions. Right now just keep the third one, just try to answer first and second question. So pause the video for a while and just try to answer this question. Meanwhile, let me just read these questions for you. The first expression that we have is 3 into 2 divided by 2. So what is this? What is its answer? Then the next expression that we have is 2 and 3 or 1. Okay, and let me not tell you the third expression right now, just focus on the first and second. Okay, so okay, now we know the precedence rules. Okay, so based on the precedence rules we can answer any question or any expression. But what if in an expression or in a compound expression there are two operators which are having exact same precedence? What will happen then? Okay, so let's say in the first expression we have multiplication and division. Okay, and if I'll go back to the precedence table, you will see that multiplication and division operators, okay, so if you will find them, they are in line number 3, okay, over here from the top, row number 3. So multiplication and division are going to have same precedence, or they are having same precedence because they are in the same row, right? So when this condition will arise, when there are different operators with the same precedence, then in that case what the compiler is going to do, or how the expression will be evaluated. So in that case the next set of rules will be applied, and those will be rules of associativity. Now the rules of associativity will tell us what to do when there is set of operators which are having the exact same precedence. So when there are operators with exact same precedence, we have to follow these rules. Okay, so the associativity actually has two things, okay, or two rules. One is left to right associativity and another one is right to left associativity. Okay, again my tongue is slipping, so I can't help it because that word is very difficult, at least for me. I don't know for you. Okay, okay, so in the third column right now you can see on the screen there is third column, and in the third column I have written few things like left to right, then right to left. So for few operators it is left to right, and for few operators it is right to left. Okay, so you can see in each and every row there is either left to right written or right to left is written. Okay, so basically whenever there will be conflict, you have to either go on solving the expression from left to right, or you have to go on solving the expression from right to left. Okay, and this is something called as associativity. Okay, so basically it will tell you that whenever there will be conflict, whether you have to solve the expression from left to right or from right to left. Okay, now let's see, in the first expression we have multiplication and division. Okay, so for multiplication and division we have to follow left to right associativity. So we have to start solving the expression from left to right. Okay, so let's see what will be the answer then, correct answer. So we have to solve the expression in left to right manner, right? So basically like this. So that means 3 multiplied by 2, this will be evaluated first because we are coming from left to right. So the answer of that is going to be 6, right? And then 6 divided by 2 will be evaluated, and then the answer that we will get is going to be 3. This is associativity. You just have to follow either left to right or right to left. Okay. Similarly, let's see what associativity you have to follow for the next expression, that is 2 and 3 or 1. Okay, so let me just go back to our image. Okay, so for and or operator, you can see for and or we have left to right associativity again. Okay, so again it is left to right associativity. Okay, so that's why in this case also we have to follow the same rules, so left to right. So let's see what will be the answer of this expression. Let's calculate 2 and 3. What is value of 2 and 3? So 2 is 0 1 0 and 3 is 0 1 1, right? So the answer is going to be 0 1 0, so it is 2, right? And then we have 2 or 1. So 2 is nothing but 0 1 0 and 1 is nothing but 0 0 1, and we have to calculate bitwise OR of it. So what is going to be bitwise OR? It is 0 or 0 is 0, 1 or 0 is 1, similarly 0 or 1 is 1. So the answer is 3. Okay, so the answer of this this complete expression is nothing but 3. Okay, and how it is coming as 3? Because it is left to right associative, and that's why we are calculating it from left to right. Okay, left to right, left to right. Okay, cool. So now I hope you have got the clear idea about what is associativity, okay, and how you have to follow either left to right or right to left. Okay, now let's try to answer the third question. Its third question is also very easy. Okay, let me just erase out this board. Okay, in the third question, what we are doing is we are declaring two variables a and b. Initially value of a is 5 and then value of b is 1. Okay, then we have written one expression, b plus equal to 1 plus in bracket a plus equal to 2. Okay, so let's see how this expression will be evaluated. So let me write initial values of a and b. So let me create two boxes. This is, let's say, a, and let's say this is b. So a is initially having value as 5 and b is initially having value as 1. Okay, now what we are doing in this expression, we are doing b plus equal to 1 plus in bracket a plus equal to 2. Now let me just tell me which part of the expression will be evaluated first. Which part will be evaluated first? See, this part will be evaluated first because this is written in parentheses, right? So as this is written in parentheses, this part will be evaluated first. And what will happen by evaluating this part? So a plus equal to 2. So right now a is 5. So what the new value of a will be? So new value of a will become 7, because 5 plus 2 is 7, and you are assigning that value into a. Okay, now what will be the answer of this sub expression? The answer of this sub expression is actually 7. So whatever you are assigning in a, that will be the answer of your sub expression. So this is how it works in C++. Okay, so the answer of this bracket will come at 7, and then you are doing b plus equal to 1 plus 7. Now which part will be evaluated? See, the assignment operator are going to have lowest precedence. Okay, so again this part will be evaluated first. Okay, so by evaluating this part, we will get answer as 8. And finally our expression is going to become b plus equal to 8. Okay, and what is value of b right now? It is 1. 1 plus 8, it will become 9. Okay, so the value of b will become 9, and when we'll do C out b, the answer will be 9.